guys, I'm Mike Barcoma and I'm from Carbon, computer enthusiast and the rig builders of Negros, and we're going to unbox something special today. Okay, so this is the Raindance speaker. Kakabili ko lang dito sa Singapore. Yung price niya dito is around $39.90 in Singapore dollars. Kung bibilin mo ito sa Amazon or sa eBay, it's $30 US. So it's around 1,300 to 1,500 pesos yung niya, yung price range niya if you convert it into peso. So ito yung Raindance speaker. So don't expect too much dito sa speaker. Kasi 6 watts lang ito, 3 watts per channel. So this is just 2 channel speakers. So ito at the front, makikita nyo na total power is 6 watts. And then merong built-in amplifier. Tapos hi-fi na stereo siya. Then ito USB powered ito. So anyway, ito yung front niya. Then you can see compatible siya sa MP3 player, iPad, iPhone, or ano pa yung mga sa PC or sa laptop. So at the side, ito. Then at the back, makikita nyo na lahat ng mga qualities or lahat ng specs dito sa back portion dito. Then the other side. Okay, so i-unbox natin to. Siguro, ewan ko kung sa Pilipinas available na to, but anyway, ito siya. So merong plastic sa taas. Alright, then after that, okay, ito yung left speaker. Okay, so kung ma-focus nito yung cameraman, ito merong tubig, yan. Okay, that's the water inside. Then next, ito, this is the right channel. Okay, then ano ba yung nasa loob nito? Okay, so sa loob nito is we have a USB cable. Ito yung para sa power niya. Then next thing is meron siyang 3.5mm na audio jack. Okay. Then the rest are just papers, which is yung warranty card nito, 12 months warranty. Then yung user manual, 1 page lang. Okay. So simple lang naman yung pagka-setup nito eh. So yung gagawin natin is itong sa left speaker is you just have to connect this USB cable to the back of this right speaker. So ganun lang kasimple. Okay, so bear with me hindi lang. Okay. So yan. Okay. So ito, you just have to connect from the left channel to right channel. Yan lang. Alright. Then, next thing is, okay, kunin natin yung yung USB cable. Okay. Ito yung USB cable niya is nagbibigay ng 5 volts na power. So, gawin lang natin is yung kabilang end niya, you have just to place this at the back of the left channel, left speaker. Ito. Tsaka, all you have to do is you plug it into a USB source, which is dito, laptop. So ito, on na siya. So next thing na gagawin natin is, last but not the least, is yung 3.5mm na audio cable. Same thing dito sa likod ng left speaker. Connect mo dito. And to avoid damaging your speaker, since walang volume control ito, dependent ito sa device na nagbibigay ng volume, is you have to lower down first your volume sa source ninyo, which is, in my case, ito, yung laptop ko. So just lower down the volume before you try playing something, okay, to avoid damage. Okay, so ito na yung speaker, naka-setup na. So all we just have to do is pretty much magpi-play tayo ng music. Okay, so try natin, ha. So ito, yan. Try mo focus ito.
Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys. We rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys. We rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys. We rowdy. Shout to all my boss boys. Shout to all my boss boys. When you're ready, when you're ready.
Yun. So, anyway, natapos na yung unboxing natin, tsaka yung pag-test ng Rain Dance speaker. This is manufactured by A-Take. Ito, tingnan natin sa box, ha. Ito, A-Take. Yun yung manufacturer. So, made in Taiwan to. And again, the price is $30 US. In Singapore dollars, it's $39.90. So 40 Singapore dollars. And then if you convert it into peso, so it's within 1,300 to 1,500 pesos. I'm not so sure if this is readily available in the Philippines, but don't expect too much dito sa sa speaker, since this is just 6 watts. But at least the quality of the sound is pretty much okay na rin as compared to like yung mga mumurahing speaker talaga na parang basag talaga. Ito, hindi naman eh. So ito, pang eye catcher lang ito. And then if let's say you want to check out the videos on this speaker, check out our YouTube channel of Carbon Rigs. The YouTube channel is youtube.com/user/carbonrigs. And you could also visit our Facebook fan page for computer enthusiasts and rig builders of Negros at facebook.com/carbonrigs. So anyway, until the next unboxing, guys, thank you very much for tuning in dito sa YouTube channel ng Carbon Rigs. And I hope to see you guys soon. And we'll be unboxing some more computer stuffs or anything na mabibili ko. Okay, so thank you very much and have a great day, guys. Ain't nobody playing with me.